bored. Yeah. Hi, Cantaloupe. What is your name? George! I don't like that name. What's your last name? George Cantaloupe. Interesting. I can't wait to eat you. Kevin! Oh, you can... I hate you. I can't believe you just said that. What is wrong with you? And look at There's a lot of you. I can't talk to every individual. Okay, so I can't put that back. So, what's it like to be dish soap? Why aren't you answering me? Tissue. What does it feel like to be sneezed on? Horrible. Sorry. Trash. There's a lot of oranges in there. Ethan. Toilet paper. What's it feel like to be toilet paper? Awkward. That's all I need to know. Hello, necklace charm. You're beautiful. Too bad you're missing a leg. Okay, bye. Sorry, Mike. Kitty! Didn't do it.